how to create a ChatGPT shortcut that can send you quickly to the voice feature or the camera. So here I created two shortcuts. So this one will quickly send me to the ChatGPT voice feature. There's another shortcut that I created that quickly opens the camera inside ChatGPT. So to create these shortcuts, just long press on the ChatGPT icon. Then you will see these two shortcuts available. Just long press, tap and hold, and then drag it onto your home screen. This will create the camera shortcut that you can quickly go into the camera instead of having to go to ChatGPT and then opening the camera from there. This is much quicker. Now you can also create the voice shortcut. Just tap and hold, and then tap and hold here, drag it onto the home screen, and that's how to create the voice feature. So that's it for the video, and thanks for watching.